Check out this 2007 Cadillac SRX WOW. If you're looking for a great-looking Cadillac SUV, this one is for you. This Cadillac would be great for the family to take to Grandma's house for the holidays, and also a smooth and damp, luxurious daily ride to work. It's such a great buy and in good condition. Knowing we have pulled the Carfax for you and the history is clean and free of problems. It's tough to find such a clean and nice luxury SUV in this price range, usually an app. I urge you to not miss this one. Hurry and call now for an APTF or your free test drive and quickest response for information on this vehicle and or additional internet department incentives. Come in and see one of the largest inventories in Southeast Texas. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $21,995. Contact the dealership today at 409-833-7100.